got this Naipo Neck and Back Massager. See the box. I'm unboxing it right now. The company, Naipo, had offered to send me a product for review. And just being honest here, I didn't pay for this. So I got it for free, okay, in exchange for my review. And I want to give it an unbiased and honest review. Just lift my camera here. According to the ad, you can sit in your car, but of course they caution that it's not the driver's seat, but probably the passenger seat. So yeah, because of course you're driving, you don't want to be impaired, you know, especially if you're getting a good massage while driving, you might fall asleep. Let me just show you the items that came with it, the accessories. So this is the power cord that you will connect to this adapter, right, so that it will go into the wall. And this one is the one that inserts into that connector by the chair. And this is for the car. I mean, it's not long enough, so if we put it in the second row, although our second row, we do have a car adapter there, so I think this will work. Okay, especially for the middle chair, I think, the center chair. But yeah, so these are the things. And then there's, again, this instruction manual. I really think it's a perfect size for our wingback chair here. And I think it's the right size. So just want to show you, this is where you insert the power cord or adapter. So you can use this for inserting the one for the car as well. So let me see, I do have a socket here. Maybe I can connect it and try it already. Okay, so this is the power on, and this is the back, full up and then lower massage. So if you want to do a full massage, and then this is a back massager, so it also has heat. Okay, you can add heat, but this is the neck as well, and then you just press whichever place or location you want to be massaged, and then this is the target location, so you can press that. And then even the seat has some kind of warmth or maybe some kind of massaging thing. Okay, so now sit down there, Jess, and then do your and test this out. But so far, when I tested it in my husband, I really like it a lot. But then this will be the best test of all, because my daughter, she does massages and she's really great at it. Let's press on the...
Am I positioned correctly? Is this exactly where it should be?
Yeah, like that. So okay, that's where it's supposed to be. Yes. How about you pull up first, scoot up a little bit.
Like higher?
Higher, yeah.
Okay.
Lean back higher. Is Cloud bothering you?
No, I like him there.
Oh, you like him there. Okay, Cloud, just sit down next to Jessica, okay? Be quiet there. Yeah, say hi to everybody.
Say hi.
Say hi. Okay, turn it on. Okay. So let's see what you're going to turn on. So now there's an indicator. There's a red light indicator that the power is on. Okay, and then what are you going to do? Do a full, or you're going to do a neck massage first or a back massage? Neck first.
Neck first.
So go from... So this one I think will do
both. What does
both.
This mean?
I don't know. Let's see. Maybe that'll do both. The whole thing, the full thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
okay.
It's not noisy.
No, it's not.
But you can tell it's moving. If you're especially sitting down, you can see the movement here. What I like about it, it doesn't sound like it's a big machine. If you hear a little noise, it's the fan upstairs. But this one is practically silent. What do you think so far?
So far I think it's good at getting that upper part of the trapezius, that back muscle that's around your neck. That part between the neck and the shoulder itself, it's proportionate to the body, but the other knobs on the bottom, it's not really hitting anything. It's just hitting your bones. At least for me. Maybe that's just my body frame in proportion to the massager. I'm sure it can work for someone else, but maybe it's because my shoulders are so broad.
No,
That makes it different.
How about this? Because you just pressed it. Maybe it's doing its thing on the upper portion.
Yeah,
first.
so I'm gonna lower it a bit.
Okay.
Because we need to get to that that part that's really close to the spine.
It's moving down to the shoulder.
Yeah.
So
can you adjust the degree of the strength?
doesn't seem like it will, but again, we haven't really tested this.
Oh, okay, wait.
Okay. So does it do it?
Maybe.
Is the up and down the positioning or?
Oh, maybe it's the strength. Hold on.
It's the strength.
Maybe. I can't tell. Oh no, it's moving it up. It's moving it higher.
Okay, there you
Okay,
go.
there we
Oh,
go.
I see.
Oh, there we
too.
go.
So there, as you can see, and maybe it's
This is better.
if you don't have your necklace with you. Let's remove the necklace.
Okay,
Lift up
this
your
is
hair.
good.
I think
This is good enough.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I like the feel of it. It's
Oh wow.
it's smooth, and like I said, that part where the neck reaches the shoulder right here, it's got that pretty accurately.
Oh good. So when you press
That's
up,
very important, yeah.
yeah, good.
Because sometimes like we massage ourselves like this, and that's difficult because we can't get like the strength from the hand to really massage deep in there. But
Right.
this has got it.
Do you feel any relief or?
Yeah, I feel somewhat relieved. Yeah, I mean I've been typing all day, so
Good.
This is nice. It's also got that part right here.
Oh
this
yeah,
part right
that's
here.
the one that
That's
I
good.
like to be
Yeah.
massaged.
Yeah, I guess for my height, you just need to,
And my daughter is 5'7", by the way.
keep pressing up until you hit it.
Oh,
'cause,
okay.
At first, I thought this was like default, but it was already all the way down.
And there's a little bit of red mark here. I don't know if it's from your necklace when it was hitting it. What about the center of the back of your neck? Does it go
Center
there?
of the back
Does it
of my
go
neck.
around to the back?
Actually, in a way, it's good it's not reaching the center because that's where the spine is, and you don't want to injure it. So, yeah, it's pretty good. It's well
Pretty good
proportioned.
for
Yeah.
this thing? Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
This is as low as I can go for the neck, like this part right here. So
because
I
that's-
guess the rest is the back.
the back. Okay, so now you're gonna go to the back.
So I guess I'll just go full
go
first.
full on the back. Okay.
Okay, so it's starting from the lower back. It's working its way up.
Okay. Can you stand up so we could see?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use the cloud.
Oh,
here.
look at that.
Uh-huh.
It can't, because it's black, you cannot really see it, but there is something here. It moves. So two, probably a little shorter or smaller than this.
You look like
But-
robot mini arms.
Yeah, so it goes up and down. And then, oh, okay, good. So this is protection for sweat, or it also helps add a little padding for the one being massaged.
Maybe
So-
that's for the heat padding.
Oh, yeah.
I guess. Yeah, that makes
Did
sense.
you press the heat yet?
No, I didn't. Maybe I'll press it now.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna
let's-
press heat.
Let's press heat.
Well,
Let me just,
It's so
press
hot
heat.
right now, so.
Yeah, it's hot
Can you
right
really
now where
tell?
we live. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh wow, that's nice. Look
Oh,
at that.
even here, I haven't seen that. We haven't tried this one with the heat. So now at least when you press the heat, you can see the shape. So there are like two bowls on each
Whoa.
side. One is smaller
That's
than the
cool.
other.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking this is the largest bowl up here, and these are the medium and small bowls. And oh, look at let's just see. Look at the movements of
That's
the
nice.
bowls.
That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, you can see it without the pad. And we haven't tried it with the heat.
It really looks like it's accommodating the curvatures of your back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why don't we cover it and then, Cloud, do you feel anything on the seat? Huh? Okay, so let's try it. Cover it and
Okay,
then
I'm
let's
covering
try
it.
it.
I didn't know it did that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Let me,
Yeah.
let me feel it first.
Is it warm?
It's a little warm over here, but I can't feel anything here.
Okay, good. So it's more
Yet.
protection.
Okay.
When you say ow, does it hurt?
For the neck part, again, it could just be because of my the ratio of my shoulder width to the massager. I just need to keep pressing up for the neck.
Sure, yeah.
okay. I like the back. It's good. It's good.
It's good, huh? It's really
It's not like it's well, since it doesn't seem like you can adjust the degree of the strength. It's doing it just right. It's like they're really just pressing in, but it's not like beating you up or anything.
That's good.
Because the previous massage chair we had was really beating you up. You really could.
Afterward, you're
Yeah.
sore. I remember that. So what is in here? Back, target, seat. So there's one for the seat also.
For your butt. Okay.
Okay, so you stand up too. Let's see what is in there. Ah, do you want a butt massage?
Wow.
So we're gonna press.
Oh, there's something there.
Oh.
Oh, it vibrates.
So it's more a vibration. Of course,
Yeah.
there's no ball here because you're going to be sitting, so it's kind of giving you some kind of vibration here. And Cloud, do you like it?
Why are you sitting on it?
Do you like it, Cloud? Yeah.
Never underestimate a butt massage, and I'm really not trying to sound funny. It's for reals because there's so many nerves on your butt.
Yeah,
it feels
there you
really
go.
good.
So let's lift up Boo Boo. By the way, if you listen to my daughter when she talks geeky science. It's because she's a pre-med graduate and she's done anatomy and stuff. So that's why I'm asking her to do this so that she knows if it's positioning it well on the body. So of course, I just want to do a liability release here on the video that in no way is she a licensed medical staff. She's
Or
not,
a massage therapist.
or a massage
Yeah.
therapist. She's just, she just likes to massage the family.
I really like the back because it's needing to where the muscles are closest to the spine, and if you're trying to massage yourself, those are the hardest parts to reach.
Yeah.
And it's not doing it in a way that it's like really like pushing you off the seat. It's just right. And I'm starting to feel the warmth now too. It's very soothing on the back.
So you feel the warmth.
I feel it. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to feel more warmth if you have to remove the pad, but I think that's protection for
Oh, I
her.
think it's protection. I think it is. Yeah.
But you feel the warmth.
Yeah,
as
I
well.
feel it now radiating.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, so the neck is all right. Again, it's just because of proportion. Everyone's body is different, but the back is really good. I think they hit it spot on.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so the butt. How about the butt area?
Okay, I've always had a big butt, so no, it's
Sorry,
just,
everybody.
no, I'm being legit because right now it doesn't feel like anything's being massaged. It's just like a little bit vibration on my booty, like a tiny vibration, but maybe tinier butts could feel it.
Right. Okay. So does it feel like you're?
Nice.
Oh,
This is nice. The back is nice.
The back is nice. So it's soothing.
Yes.
It doesn't hit the spine,
No.
which is a plus, because the other massage chair we had, which we've given away, sometimes it's painful because it hits the back.
It feels good.
So overall, what do you think? Is this going to be a good massager for you to, when you, let's say, thinking of yourself, when you're going back, what do you think this will do?
I think I wouldn't use it like the whole time I'm doing my typing. I would just use it like when I take a break for like every hour or something.
To relax.
I wonder how it would work out in the car.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it would work out good.
Yeah. The only thing is your dad thinks that it's going to probably either too much battery power.
Stopping, I don't think I pressed anything.
Oh.
So I guess it just has its
It
own
also
timer
has kind of
or
like its
whatever.
own timer that it limits it to. So okay. So when it comes to the car, there is a instruction manual, neck and back massager, and it doesn't say butt massager too. So I would probably complain if you don't feel anything on the butt areas, but it has a little bit of extra there that it shakes give you a little bit of shaking.
Yeah, so that you know when you're sitting down, there's gonna be blood flow to your lower limb.
Yeah, so that it's kind of
Yeah.
more even, right?
Yeah.
And my
wonder what
baby
he says.
here is barking, and he's thinking that it's good because he said that the bottom when he was sitting there, he felt it. Ah, did you like it? Okay, so what do you think? Is it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up? What do you think as an honest review? Of course, not comparing, not thinking about comparing it to humans or human touch. But if you're going to compare it to human touch, of course, nothing compares to human touch. But
Especially for the neck.
especially for the neck. But is it something that you can say, oh, I'm tired, nobody's around to massage me, let me use the massage thing?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, it will suffice.
Okay, it will suffice. Okay, thanks Jessica for... Cloud is saying something.
He's
What do you...
coughing. He's
You're coughing. Glad we've done this, and my daughter, I had to do this today even with my boys failing because my daughter is available right now to do this. Other day, she will be too busy. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. And then also, please leave some comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hope you all are having a great day. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.